heads of various offices, our dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff, beloved parents, and to my fellow graduates, good afternoon. But also the long nights, the obstacles we've overcome, the friendships we've built, and the memories will carry with us for the rest of our lives. So my fellow graduates, as we were our caps and gowns, we are not just closing the chapter. We are beginning a brand new one. Whether we meant to remain a difference in the lives of every student. And so, to our dear parents, honored guests, and everyone present today, on behalf of the graduating class, it is my honor and pleasure to welcome you all to this special occasion. May the years ahead be filled with purpose, opportunities, and blessings, and may God continue to guide us toward success. Once again, thank you, welcome, and good afternoon.
The Dean College of Information Technology.
As Dean, College of Information Technology, I have the honor to present the 102 candidates for graduation, 2-year course associate. 111 candidates for graduation with a degree of who have satisfactorily completed of Baao Community College.
Balik yung EJ ko, ibibigay ni ate. Para kay EJ ko niya. Si ate yun. Yung papa mo, nakita mo? Andun yung papa mo. Sa ayos ng ganyan, no? Bim-bim naman. Kung ano yung papakita. Pwede naman palang sa mabilo. Pwede naman pala kanina pa dapat. Nandito pa. Sabi,
Hey, all the time, Dr.